Calculating the area of a floor plan can be complicated by the presence of stairs. Depending on the type and configuration of your stairs, you may decide you want to include or exclude certain parts of them from your calculations. Scribe has been developed to allow for this by giving you control over three aspects: the stairs themselves, the space under the stairs, and the void above them. By entering Calculate mode, you will see a visual representation of how the stair area is currently being calculated. In this example, the stairs are shown in white, which means they are not being included in the area calculation, and both the story area and total area are reflecting this. To change that, you just select the layer and then tap on the stairs. You'll see the colour change and a dashed line is added to indicate that the stair area has been added to your calculation. The areas on the left have also been updated to reflect the change. If you also want to include the space under the stairs as well, just tap again so the line goes solid, and you'll again see the areas change to reflect that. Tapping once more will revert the calculation back to not including the stairs, and you can keep tapping to cycle through the options. To change the setting for the stair void, we just need to navigate to the upper floor and then can toggle the inclusion of the void space on and off. If you have a standard preference for stair inclusion, you can also change the setting in your profile so that it's chosen by default, though you will still be able to change it in Scribe for non-typical cases.